I'm Nick Harris, sitting alongside me, Matt Furt, down in pit lane. Dylan Gray for this penultimate round, the MotoGP World Championship.
Pedrosa, Marquez, Rossi on the front row. Row 2, Lorenzo, Crutchlow, Andrea Iannone.
Row 3, Andrea Dovizioso, Maverick Vinales and Bradley Smith. Row 4, Alessio Spargo, Paul Espargaro, Finn and Danilo Petrucci.
Row 5 headed by Stefan Bradl, Scott Redding and Jack Miller. Row 6, Bautista, Ronnie Hernandez and Nicky Hayden making his last Grand Prix appearance in Malaysia.
Row 7, Loris Baz, Tony Elias and Eugene Lafferty. Row 8, Mike DeMeglio, Ant West and Damien Cudlin. And row 9,
on the Suzuki, Happy Shireen, the battered Bruce.
Go, brilliant start from Marquez from pole. It's
Is that the Dovizioso?
I think it is! Unbelievable!
Fire from the Ducati, the high five. Down he went, all the back to Ducatis, clattered him, believe it. They're trying to get that bike out, they're looking to Dovizioso now. I hope he's okay, because he looked hurt. Nowhere to get into the air, he's rolled through the tarmac run off quite a few times there.
in the home. Boy, Lorenzo, Danny Pedrosa, little wiggle there from Andrea Iannone. And there he is, Valentino Rossi in there also.
On the Suzuki, Happy Shireen, the battered Bruce.
Go, brilliant start from Marquez from pole. It's
Is that the Dovizioso?
I think it is!
Unbelievable! Fire from the Ducati, the high five. Down he went, all the back to Ducatis, clattered him, believe it. They're trying to get that bike out, they're looking to Dovizioso now. I hope he's okay, because he looked hurt. Nowhere to get into the air, he's rolled through the tarmac run off quite a few times there.
I just wonder if we might see a red flag here.
The good thing is, this rain that they thought might come has stayed away. That doesn't mean that the teams won't be prepared. There could be a few interesting things with regards to wet tyre choice should they need to swim.
Take a big deep breath at home. Boy, Lorenzo, Danny Pedrosa. A little wiggle there from Andrea Iannone. And there he is, Valentino Rossi. In there also, Marc Marquez. Certainly not sending Christmas cards to each other at the moment. Just to remind you of the situation. Rossi
Down he went, all the back to Ducatis, clattered him, believe it. They're trying to get that bike out, they're looking into Dovizioso now. I hope he's okay, because he looked hurt. Nowhere to get into the air, he's rolled through the tarmac run off quite a few times there.
I just wonder if we might see a red flag here if they come.
Terima kasih sudah menonton, jangan lupa like and subscribe ya teman-teman, dan nantikan video selanjutnya. Sampai jumpa.